The Sealand Building Group's benefits program. The healthcare and dental coverage is not mandatory, but the life insurance and accidental death and dismemberment portions are. You will have qualified for coverage on the date indicated in your letter of employment. In order to be covered, you need to complete the group benefits enrollment application or re-enrollment application form you see on the screen. You would have been sent this form through Bamboo HR, and you can fill it in online using a laptop or desktop computer rather than your cell phone. Regardless as to whether you were filling out the form online or having it printed off and filling it in with a pen and paper, here are a few tips. Section 1 will be filled in by the office. In Section 2, you put your name, date of birth, gender, language, and whether or not you have a spouse. Section 3 asks you for your complete address, including your postal code. You don't have to fill in Section 4 unless you're a resident of Quebec. In Section 5, if you are applying as a single, check Myself Only next to Extended Healthcare and next to Extended Dental Care. If you're applying for coverage for your family or your dependents, check Myself and Other Dependent 1, 2, or more, such as the case may be. Section 6 is the coordination of benefits. You're going to fill that in if you have dependents. Section 7 is going to be the dependent information for your spouse and for your dependents. You're going to list them in their entirety here. And then the last section, 8, is the banking information and email address. Please fill this in even if you've already sent this information to Sealand. And then you sign and authorize at the end. The beneficiary designation form is shown also on the screen here. This Section 1, you fill in only your name, province of residence, and date of birth. Section 2, you fill in your beneficiary or beneficiaries and how much percentage-wise they're going to receive. Irrevocability is normally not filled in, but you can if that's your preference. When you scroll down through the form, you'll see what irrevocability means and also types of beneficiary and so on. If you have questions, that section will be able to answer them in further detail. Section 3, you don't fill in. Section 4 is a contingent beneficiary. This is a backup beneficiary. You don't have to fill this in, but you can. Section 5 is a trustee beneficiary. You only complete that if one or more of your dependents, your beneficiaries, is under the age of majority. And in Canada, that's 18 or 19 years of age, depending on your province. And then Section 6, you sign and either print, or then you save it if you're filling it in online. That should get you through the forms for the Manulife onboarding. Thank you and have a great day.